Morning, friends. It's Lance here. Heart and Soil Ridge, crisp morning. What is it? 18th, 19th, something like that. And today's discussion is about calving and kidding and lambing in April or spring, for whatever your context is, because we've got to talk about that, friends. This video, it is it's based on good friend Jordan Meyer. Actually, if you know Jordan, give him a holler today. He needs a little loving. Just turning 30. Hey, girly. Hey, sweetie. How you doing? Huh? So anyway, back to today. Kidding, lambing, calving in winter or spring. Let's just define let's just get a definition, all right? Spring is, what am I thinking? April, May, June, something like that. June 21st it ends, goes to summer. Winter is before that. Why in the heck do we think we could, whatever, calve, kid, and lamb in winter or spring? You see this? This doesn't look like much. It's about 9 inches. It came, when was that? 2 days ago? Sunday night, wife and I were coming home we went up to the Hamilton. Surprised her and some good friends at farm sat for us. And coming home, we got home at 3:30. Interstate was a mess because it's, 3/4 mile that way. 30 mile an hour, 35 mile an hour. Pretty much everything got closed down. They didn't close the interstate, but I figured they might. And we got 9-10 inches, whatever. Blew like a sucker. I gotta get rid of it. We got some death loss last night. Livestock and dead stock. But anyway, what I'm gonna get at here, friends, is God's design. Let me just jump in here because I'm getting a little bit cold. God's design is that we would kid, calve, lamb when the bunnies and the deer and the turkeys are having their young. That's his design. And us in our infinite wisdom, that includes me, us, all of us, we think because we can build stuff like this, buildings, and we got the barn. Where is she? Where's the barn? Oh, it's back there somewhere. Oh, not quite far enough. We think that, what do we think? We think we might as well push the weaning weights. We might as well push the cows and calve in January, February, and March. Well, you know what? Whatever fits the bill. I mean, let's just be honest. But here on this farm, and all the farms I've been across, because I've been blessed to travel on a lot of farms, even in New Zealand and Australia, Hawaii. See, my father-in-law used to work for one of the biggest AI companies in the country. We won't name names, but at least on this video. But God's design, and you might take offense to this. Good. That's good. Think about it. Because I grew up calving with my dad by Stevens Point in April. And it was such, golly old. Yeah. Talk to the neighbor. Yep. Jeepers, cats. Yeah, it snowed. Golly, was it a blizzard last night? We got the cows in the barn, 2 of them freshened, because that's what they do when a low pressure rolls in. So I guess what I want to challenge you to think about is, hold on here, this is getting a little bit challenging. I want to encourage you to think about your why. I'm not saying I have it all figured out, far from it. I'm a recovering, healing person that is hurt. That's a whole nother journey, whole nother story video. But I guess what I'm going to say, friends, is that what's your why? Who are you listening to that says you got to have, actually, this is just ridiculous. Who in their right mind are you listening to that says you gotta wean calves, you gotta pour them, you gotta vax them, whatever. You gotta feed them grain, you gotta put them in buildings. Just, come on now. Look at this. Here's Carol. This is Carol. Look at, this is Steve, that ain't hers. But come on, girls, get out of here. Here, this is Stella, that's hers right there, Stella. Now you mean to tell me that we need to do all those things and have weaning weights? Because I can about guarantee you, oh no, these calves are more profitable than your calves, and you calved last year in February, March, maybe April. That's arrogance, that's a little bit ignorance because I don't know your context, but it's more than likely true. And you can push all you want, because here's the thing, friends. If you got 100 mama cows, you calve them all in February, March, maybe some in April, and then we get the blizzard like we got yesterday, because we got off pretty good. My good buddy over there, Osseo Way, Chippewa Falls, they got 22 inches. If you have kids on the ground, calves, you better have them in the barn if they're only a few days old or brand new. Just saying, go lose 2 or 3 calves out of 100. Or worse yet, lose 1 calf out of 20. The hell with weaning weights. I mean, pardon the French, but jeepers cats. Come on now. Quit following your darn feed store that tells you how to grow animals. Hey, girl. Come on, get up here. You want some food? Anyway, I'm going to sign off. But seriously, what is your why, and who the heck are you listening to? Are you tired of making pennies, nickels? Are your cattle paying for yourself? I dare you to ask yourself why and who you're following. And then, yeah, I gotta keep moving here. Doctor's appointment, you know. And then, ask yourself, are you making money? Because if you're not making money, you're just a big hobby farmer. Hey, yeah, we're good. Self-included. And I don't want to be a hobby farmer. I quit my government job to make this a goal. All right, so ask yourself the question. Check out my buddy Jordan Meyer, Wholesome Family Farms. He's got a hell of a YouTube channel. George Heller, he raises South Pole cattle up in northern Minnesota, where people say that can't be done. Check out Greg Judy. Yeah, check him out. Let your mind be overturned. All right, onward and upward, friends. We're gonna lose the snow today and get an inch of rain in the next couple, so we trying to get some hay fed before the snow disappears in the frost. So, all right, well, Minnesota goodbye, Clifford. What do they say? The third time is the charm. Ugh. That's my goat proofer right there, them darn goats. That's why they're all sold. Stinkers. They're gonna go find a new home. No more fence jumping for me. I shouldn't say that. We're keeping 2 of them because we run farm camps, but all right, onward and upward. Thumbs up for the day. Make it a good day, a restart day. Talk to you guys later.